Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can perform a reverse Google image search in the Samsung Galaxy A04S. So sadly we don't have a Google Lens default in this phone, so I will show you other way for that. So we have to open the web browser, then go to the google.com. And now it's very important step. Tap on the three-dot icon or arrow icon and switch your web browser to the desktop side mode. Now, how you can see there we have a small camera icon, so tap on it and choose upload a file. Add the permissions to the gallery and choose the file that you want to search in the Google. I will choose that one and click done. And how you can see, now Google looking for similar images or the same images in the Google database. Like this one. But if that way is too long for you, you can also try to download a Google Photos app in the Google Store. And in the Google Photos app, a little bit easier, just open the photo that you want to search and tap on the Google Lens icon. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.